So examine the system.
Chairman, please.
Yeah.
And you are saying that handover sequence is being updated in view of revised schedule for completion of construction activities. Which handover, Ashif and Val, you're talking about now?
Final dossier handover, sir. That it will everything it will include in that only, no? Final dossier handover.
But here it says for construction completion of construction. We completed that, didn't we?
Yeah, final dossier we are submitting everything, mechanical completion, everything is coming under construction only, no, sir.
In view of revised schedule for completion of construction activity. So when it is scheduled, was supposed to be. I mean, this whatever you talk about now, handover.
See, this is the ongoing procedure unless we complete the project, we hand over the procedure. This cannot be closed. So this is a ongoing procedure unless we complete the project and give the final dossier to the
once we submit the final dossier, then it will close, I believe. So.
Yeah.
Can we just identify this now in this better, I think, because this is a very general statement now.
Yeah. So, Khalid, you want to make some dictation? Can you dictate me?
So better I leave it to Ashik and Iqbal. You can just tell what is pending exactly.